Well, welcome back to Bull 482. Today we're going to do something with this truck that does not involve the engine. I got an update coming on the engine rebuild, but I have a couple things I want to do before I put the video together. Well, one, I'm still testing fuel economy. I haven't filled it yet, so I'll find that out later this week. Anyways, what we're doing today is trying to save on this interior. And I do not have moisture barrier in here, and it is wreaking havoc on this cab. And one of which is my cab corners, which is pretty typical on these trucks. Hang on. You know what? It's going to be a little noisy, but this video is going to be terrific. Absolutely terrific. What I'm gonna do, and I heard this on Vice Grip Garage, and I'm like, oh, I got this. This is all moisture barrier really is just garbage bags. So we got some Hefty stuff here, and this is a whole bag. And now someone's doing roofing, so we got that kind of noise. This might just turn into a narrational type video. Oh yeah, we got some assembly lead right there. We'll just cut that off. But yeah, anyways, we got enough to do 2 doors. I was gonna make a 3 doors down joke, but we're only doing 2 doors. So luckily, these are pretty simple. And of course, this one's missing some parts, so you might have some more stuff there than I do. Usually a plastic washer and a spring. I've got a little thing. This needs new regulators, but I'm not putting manual regulators back in. We gotta take this little knobby guy out here. This one had chrome ones, but I didn't like them. They're kind of chintzy. And now we have fire truck sirens. Great. We just saw all kinds of noise right when I start video recording. One of these days, I'm gonna go live way up in the sticks, way out there. So yeah, you just kind of cough and it just comes out, and like that. Probably an accident or something, somebody going too fast and, you know, what have you. Oh, and lots of wind. I know the color on this doesn't match, but I really don't. I just don't care. I had to get some real scissors. Okay. We need to cut this in half. What I'm worried about, well, the speaker is going to go through the plastic and hold it down there, so it won't vibrate along here. I just don't, when I'm listening to music, I don't want it vibrating the plastic against the door. Now these speakers are set up to run only like mid-range to high, so they don't really make a whole lot of bass, which is one reason. God, this wind just keeps blowing my stuff. I wired it somewhat properly. It's twisty tied though. Probably just re-tape it up and then call it good. In case you're wondering what speakers I got in this thing, GTO 529 JBL by Harman. I don't remember how much I paid for these, but these speakers, they're loud enough. Okie dokie. Let's see. So I'm thinking with that plastic, you know, they had their original stuff, you know, stuck along here around the, above the handle. I'm thinking of just taking it all the way down. We'll just cut a hole for everything and just leave this, just tape it down here. Yeah, so I'm thinking, yeah, well, let's just get a piece strung up here. Yeah, and then we'll tape it all along the way. So I think what we'll do is we'll cut this like right along, maybe even cut it here, because we're gonna have tape go along and stick onto this part. So we'll get our, I'm thinking, yeah, we'll just cut like right here. Doesn't need to be super perfect. We won't even need to poke that many holes, so I'll get a piece of tape here to hold it. Clean the door very well. Damn it, Jimmy. We'll have more tape's gonna go right over here. So I think we're all cut is really just follow this line right here. Yeah. Come on, stop it. I don't want to tape it up too much yet. I just want to keep it from frickin' funking around. Oh, that's scary. Something like that. And then the goal is to not cut yourself. So now when we put the speaker in here, the speaker will hold that down. Try not to, I don't want to slice myself open with that razor blade. She's pretty sharp. Okay, that's good. All right, we can go ahead and tape along the top here. And then we'll barricade. Here. And then we'll tape along the bottom here. And then again on the top or the front. Okay, we got some moisture barrier. Look at that. Make sure we're on there. Seal her off right there. Nice. Speaker wires, that's through. Cool. That's it. So wherever the tape landed on the holes for the doors or for the push pins, I cut little X's. At least where I thought they would go, and then the rest of this up here is all blank. Let's put that. Oh, I actually gotta put that bottom piece on. But yeah, just cut holes or X's where you have your tape, and you should be good to go. I gotta put the bottom piece back on, and then I'll put the topper on. Okay guys, I got this side here all buttoned up here. Let's change that. There we go. Got this side buttoned up. I ended up not recording it. I was letting the camera charge for a little bit. But basically I did the exact same thing I did to that side, and I'll even show you a picture of what I got going on here. This side, I gotta get some Christmas trees for it, but sheet back together. And I even sprayed on both window tracks this stuff here. These have new window felts in them, and I never lubed them up because I didn't have that. So I got that now, and I sprayed it just along where the glass rides, and these are working pretty good. They're both equal on both sides now. This seal was kind of sticking up a little bit, wasn't in all the way, and I got that in all the way, so that's good now. But yeah, the windows roll up and down real nice now, so it gives me some confidence for when I go to put the digital stuff in. I'm working on a wiring scheme for that. We're not going to use any factory stuff. We're going to make our own. That will hopefully be more reliable. But yeah, anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Again, I've got an update video I'm going to be working on here in the next couple of weeks for this, the engine rebuild. Right now I got a load of scrap in the back of the truck. I'm going to take this in tomorrow. I'm scrapping that Cummins cylinder head. There's just no hits on it. And it probably needs a lot of work anyway, so I'm gonna let her go. And I got other stuff that I pulled out of the junkyard truck. All the scrap metal stuff. And then my next round is just gonna be taking garbage to the dump. So, which is where I'll get rid of all that coolant and all that stuff, and we'll start cleaning up this garage a little bit better. But anyways guys, that's it for this video in particular. I don't know what the next video is gonna be. Probably the update video, but it'll be a little bit. But yeah, so that's it for this video. That's something I wanted to take care of on this truck. Get some kind of moisture protection in here. I gotta feed the cat, so that means I gotta go. Where you at? Oh, she's in the house. Meow. Okay, tubes. That's all she wrote. Check out the links down below. And subscribe if you haven't already.